Yo, what's going on? Dylan here reporting for High Beam Screw. Feel like it's been a while since I made a video like this, but now I'm back in action, back to business. Today, I'm gonna give you an update on what's going on with the FA5, and also I got a new mod in the works. I'm gonna do a little unboxing, and let's see what I'm up to. So I'm about to pull out the car. Let me hit you guys with a cold start. Y'all like that cold start? Man, we're actually looking clean right now. Damn. Love the FA5. So let's take a look under the hood. So RIP to this IV Tech cover. No longer works. If you can see these studs, it actually broke off. So we're no longer running this cover. If anyone wants it, hit me up. It's sad to see the no cover, but it is what it is. And so some of you asked me how I feel about the dyno tune, and I'm just gonna keep it brief. I might make another video about this, but so far it's good. Compared to the base map, it's a night and day difference. I know that's cliche, but it's really true. Gas mileage went up, car feels faster than before, airflow ratios are so much more consistent, and like rev hang is almost gone, completely gone. And yeah, the car is more aggressive now. Now what's missing on this car? Dyno tuned, few bolt-ons. What's next? So it ended up raining from the last clip you saw. So it is a new day. I always do that in these videos. But anyways, I got a new mod for the FA5. Let's go bring it out. Let's do an unboxing. So just wait here 1 second. Just wait.
A few moments later.
So we got a package from K-Tune, new mod for the FA5. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Got my knife.
What does the cross on your forehead signify? It's a knife.
Let's get it. Let's pull this bad boy out. So we got the K-Tune K1 straight coilover. Let's get a closer look. K-Tuned K1 Street. So just by holding it and looking at it, the quality looks A1. It's on point. Engineered by Lap 32. It's actually pretty heavy. So the rear has a separate spring and strut. It's over here. Comes with your dampening, locking wrenches. So it has a nice gunmetal finish. Looks aggressive. 32-way adjustable dampening through these, if you can see it. And I think the spring rates are front 8K, rear 7K. So these coilovers are not that aggressive. They're perfect for the street and occasionally for the track. So yeah, these coilovers are 8K in the front, 7K in the rear, which is perfect for the street. That's the reason why I went with these coilovers. The ride quality of this should be perfect. It should be comfortable on the street, not too hard, not too stiff, not too bouncy. And that's my goal with this car, is to have the ultimate daily driver, like the ultimate street car. And that's what this car is turning out to be. So it's finally time to lower this car. It's been a minute. I should have done this a long time ago. But now we're Stance Nation, baby. I'm playing. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, it's time to wrap it up. I might do an install video of these coilovers. We'll see. But stick around for future content. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's keep it going. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Dylan here from High Reeves Crew, signing out. Peace out.